Good morning, students. Today's discuss about parameters for class 4 exercise 76. So, dear students, first of all, what is perimeters? Suppose this is the figures. This is the figures. Perimeters, that means total length of the boundary. Total length of the boundary. How to find out total length of the boundary? Suppose this is 2, 1, 1, 2. Here 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Dear students, find out total length of the given figures. Suppose such type figures given out. Find the perimeters. That means add of the total length of the boundary. This is the perimeters. The units of perimeter is meters, centimeters. Okay. So I started work problems and this is the form total length of the boundary, but in some plane figures, rectangles, a square, find out total length of the rectangular field, total length of the spiral field, a spiral part, rectangular part. How to find out? That means add of the total length of the boundary. You find out the perimeters. You see the questions. In first questions, find the perimeter of a rectangular flower bed. Which type of bed? Rectangular flower bed. Rectangular flower bed, that means given in data length and breadth. So first of all you write down for first questions length is equal to 7 meter 10 centimeter and breadth is equal to B for broad, that means breadth is equal to 3 meters and 20 centimeters. Dear students, you know that what is the formula of rectangular field? Perimeter of rectangular field. First of all, you see here how to find out the formula. You know that this is the length and also this is length and this is breadth and this is breadth. You know that. I hope that all the students know that this is breadth. Okay. Total length of the boundary, perimeter is equal to total length of the boundary. That means L plus B plus L plus B. That means 2L plus 2B. You take commons 2 and rest L plus B. Dear student, this is the formula of rectangular field. So you put here perimeter of a rectangular flower bed. Rectangular flower bed is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here 7 meter plus 10 centimeters, 7 meter 10 centimeter, 7 meter 10 centimeter plus 3 meters 20 centimeters. Dear student, first of all you do bracket works. 7, 10 centimeter plus 20 centimeters. You write here in this way meter and here centimeter. Here 7, here 10, here 3, here 20, here 30, here 10. That means 10 meters and 30 centimeters. You multiplied them. 30 to the 60 centimeters and 10 to the 20 meters. That means perimeter of the fields, boundary of the perimeter of the rectangular flower beds is the 20 meters and 60 centimeters. Use the formula. Yeah, you add them L plus B plus L plus B. Total length of the boundary. You find out the answers. Now, second questions. First of all, I read the questions. The side of a square field. Here in first questions rectangular flower bed, but in second questions a square field is 160 meters. The side of a square field is 160 meter. Okay. If a farmer walks around its boundary once that means once times move a square field. Find the total distance he has to cover. So dear students, you know that your field is a square field. Your field is a square. So side of a square, you write down side of a square field is equal to 160 meters. You know that. 160 meters, and you know that perimeter of the square field field 4 into sides. How to find out such type formula? You see here, you know that all sides of a square is equal. You know that all sides of a square is equal. So dear students, this is sides, this is side, this is sides, and this is sides. If you add them, side plus sides. In addition forms you read in class 3. Such type additions. How many times yes comes? 4 times. Which letters comes 4 times? Yes. So you multiply here 4s. That means 4 sides. This is the find out such type formula. So dear students, now here 4 into side of the field 160 meters. That means 64 640 meters. That means distance covered by farmer is equal to what? 640 meter. Distance covered by a farmer is equal to 640 meters in one's times. How many times? In one's times. One's times that means 1 round. 2 times that means 2 round. Now next questions. A path is to be made around a park. You go to park and a path around the park. Which type of park? Rectangular park, a spiral park, equilateral park, pentagonal park. Here in the questions, shape is that of an equilateral triangles. Which type of path? Equilateral triangles. You know that equilateral triangles? You read? You know that what is triangles? Triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 corners. Equilateral, equi that means equal, lateral means sides. That means 3 sides equal is called equilateral triangles. So now let us discuss such questions. Dear students, this is the very good questions for you. So watch carefully. A path is to be made around a park whose shape is that of an equilateral triangles. Each side of the park is 25 meters. Side of equilateral park. Side of equilateral park side of equilateral park is equal to 25 meters, and perimeter of the equilateral park, is equal to 3 into sides. Why? You know that triangle has 3 sides and all sides are equal. So 3 into sides, yeah, add them 3 times. Here 3 into 25 meters, that means 75 meters. Perimeter of the equilateral park. Now next, find the cost of making the path if its cost Rs 50 per meter. That means rate is equal to rupees 50 per meter. Total cost to make path is equal to 50 multiply 75. Here rupees, because meter here per meter, that means here meter and here meter is cross, that means 5 5s are 25, 7 5 are 35, 2 37, 3750 rupees to make the path. Again, repeat again such questions. Dear students, this is equilateral triangle. And their sides 25 meters, their sides 25 meters, their sides 25 meters. Suppose this is the path ABC. All sides are equal. So we say that this is equilateral triangles. Side of equilateral path 25 meters given the data, and perimeter of the path 3 into sides, because all sides are equal. This is equilateral triangle, so we use the formula 3 into sides. Now we find out 75 meters is the perimeter of the rectangular path, and per meter 50 rupees invest to making paths. Total cost, make the paths. That means when you multiply, here this is given data rate, per meter 50 rupees, 75 meters, construct, make the path 3750 rupees. So dear students, one questions, this is the equilateral type questions, find out perimeters, and one questions. So such type problems in front of you. So dear students, given the spiral, rectangulars, making the path, rate is given. When you multiply, then you find out total cost. So please make such type problems. If you any problem, ask them. Thank you, students.